Okay.
Good evening, welcome to
Good evening. Okay, we're here at Louis Vuitton. Welcome back to a new vlog. I'm here now at Louis Vuitton, as you can see, because I'm gonna check the Cherry by Murakami collection. Okay, and Alton is waiting for me. Actually, dapat yesterday pa. Okay, so see you later. And this is the new sneakers of LV. I like this, but in pink color. And this is what I like. Yeah, parang yun na lang yung shoes. Wala na. Yeah. So this is a cute dress. Yan. Oh my god, this is so nice. My god, so nice. Yeah. I like this. Super nice, no? Ang cute din ng jeans. Love it. This shoes is very in right now. I love this more than the one you saw a while ago. This one. And paired with this bag. Ganda. This is the total look. Yan. And notebooks. Ganda. I love notebooks. New shades. Hindi bagay sa akin. At trap tsaka ito pa bagay sa akin. But how do you pronounce this? Eve. L. Parang L ba? So this is the case. So I'm here now, my lovely May Joseph inside the Louis Vuitton store. So yeah, I'm wearing my Hello Kitty Crocs. Yeah. And then my Alice and Olivia bag. My Yayoi Kusama sunglasses. Yeah, this is Louis Vuitton by Yayoi Kusama. And so now we'll check out the Cherry. But it's few lang. So good thing there are some items here that we could check and see and feel. Yes. Wow, this is so nice. I love the shoes. Super, ang cute nito. This is, I like. Kasi kakaiba siya. It's so different. Cute ng shoesy. This is so nice. Yan, oh, nice. So this one, denim. Ang cute niya. Super love it. How much is this? And this is the slippers. Yeah. So yan. Ang cute. And this is just the simple sneakers lang siya. Nice. And the dad sandals. Yeah. Actually cute. The Cherry collection is cuter in person. Yeah. In fairness, I like the Cherry collection. Yeah. This one. Yan siya. Nice. Super nice. And as you can see, ano siya, parang plastic. As you can see, it's like my nail polish, oh. From plastic siya. Yan. Even. Yan. Oh, ganda. This one, cute though. Cute. Pero this one is nice. I like this bucket, ha. This one is nice. Oh, and the baby. Kunin natin. Wow. Cute naman. Cute din naman, but yung ano pa rin, multicolor pa rin yung nice for me. Yan. It's nice. Nice din yung scarf. Yan. That one. Basta yung ano niya, you know, parang plastic yan. Yeah, that's it. At least we saw something here. At least we were able to see and feel some cherry collection by Murakami. Yeah. Ang ganda naman ito. This one pala yun. This is also nice for summer. Miss Norm. Sis Norma, you will love this. This is your pet. Love this. That's a wrap for now, my lovely May Josephs, and I'm so happy that I was able to share with you some of the pieces of this Louis Vuitton Cherry by Murakami, which are available here at Louis Vuitton Greenbelt. But take note, all of these items are already sold to specific clients. So we don't know if we could still pre-order these items. Okay? So thank you so much again, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye! Love you!